So we are over in Disney Springs, and if you bring a bag in, the first thing you'll do is go through security. Here comes Tiffany through security.
My eyeglasses, my case for my eyeglasses is what set me off.
Uh, it's always something. You set security off every time.
Yep.
All right, so now we're gonna head inside. Now, the Disney Springs is an entertainment, shopping, and dining Disney destination. At least that's what they say. We're gonna check it out and find out. So definitely a little crowded in here tonight, and of course they start off with your Sephora and your other type shops coming down through here. But Tiffany saw a store called Disney Ever After, which means she is going to take us in there. And surprise, surprise, it's a Disney store with Disney shopping items. Quick little peek in here. A lot of pink stuff. Coming down the other side. Now, this is a store where you can create your own headband if you want to, and put little Disney characters on it. Have a nice little fountain to sit by and enjoy. The poor balloon person's having troubles today with the wind, but if you want a big Disney balloon, you can get that right here. Now, Tiffany over here swore up and down she didn't know where this was, yet she walked in and headed straight for the world of Disney. But you didn't remember where it was.
Nope.
But you found it in one try.
But I found the poutine.
Yeah, but that's not what you were after. You were after this store. Now, this is the largest Disney store in Disney World. And this store is freaking huge. Tiffany's found something.
It's Cusco.
I don't know all their names. You know all their names.
Emperor's New Groove.
Okay, but look at all the stuffed animals on the wall behind you. Now, I will say the store is not for you if you get anxiety over too many people, right?
This is calm, because remember the last time we were here, it was shoulder to shoulder. You couldn't look at anything.
Yeah, well, this isn't a whole lot better. Yeah, they got ears for everything. They got Crocs. They got hoodies. They got shirts. They got Spirit jerseys. They have it all. Tiffany wants it all. You can get slides. You can get Crocs. They have Disney slippers. I'm trying to get Tiffany to get a pair of the mini slippers right here. Tiffany. She's ignoring me. You can see her over there. She doesn't want to listen to me about the slippers. Formal night attire for the cruise ships is available here as well. Like any Disney store, they're going to have cups. They're going to have mugs. They're going to have Beauty and the Beast things. Now, of course, she has found the coffee. Not Joffrey's, though.
No.
But it is Mickey coffee. So it must be good. Got a Mickey Mouse. More clothes, more everything. It's a mess in here. It's super crowded. Big giant Legos. I'm going to the Lego store here. Not that I'm thinking it's going to be any less busy, but we're going to check it out. All right, and we got some more over here. So a little bit of rain suddenly came down, which is good. That actually should clear out some of the walkways. And this is the line to get in the Lego store. So I think we are going to skip the Lego store. See, Tiffany's a smart cookie. She brought ponchos. So while everybody's running around, Tiffany's dry. She gave me one. I'm wearing one too. So you have the Ghirardelli's chocolate over there. But over here at the art corner over there, there is a candy store. And I do believe that's where we're headed. You have the boathouse, you have paddlefish. So there is a rainforest cafe, but we didn't come to Disney to eat a rainforest cafe. Okay, however, the volcano exploding fire out the top is pretty cool. Out the top of the Rainforest Cafe. Admittedly, that's pretty good. It's still going. Guess it's the outside show. Oh, I think it's finally done now. Still hanging out over here by Rainforest Cafe. Got stuff going on over here. With smoke, waterfalls. All right, now we're heading into the Goofy Candy Company. See what kind of stuff they go. Starting off with popcorn.
It smells good in here.
It smells good in here.
Oh,
Make you want to eat snacks.
yes. I'm trying to figure out what the smell is.
Yummy. There you go. How about a mini shaped something of that size?
That's a candy devil.
But in that size.
I don't think I could finish.
Oh, you finally found something Maleficent. It's been hard to find Maleficent because it's not Halloween. So, but what is it?
It's mint.
Do you really need a thing of mints just because it has Maleficent on it?
I don't, but somebody I know does.
Oh, gotcha. A to-go gift.
Yes.
And they do have quite a bit of Mickey-shaped items up in here. Mickey, Minnie, all the kinds of different colors. Now, they do have a Days of Christmas, so year-round Christmas store available. And that's going to attract her attention next. So in she goes. This whole place is just shopping, eating, and entertainment. We haven't got to the entertainment yet. And just as you'd expect, it is just an entire store of Disney Christmas ornaments. Oh, that's cool. Just Disney Mickey head ornaments everywhere. And of course, we have Tiffany hanging out with Pooh and Tigger and Piglet. Your kind of place to hang out?
He's gonna teach me how to bounce.
He's gonna teach you how to bounce. Of course, lots and lots of flowers. They do have a carousel if you want to get your horse ride on. The Lefties left-handed store is right there. They claim that was the largest left-handed store, and look at the size of that thing. Oh, more characters for Tiffany to hang out with. All right, you got a small splash pad area over here. Everything is Disney themed. Even the water jets that spray out are all little Mickey heads here at the splash pad. Tiffany's been looking for this one, this Affogatos Gelato. There may be something over here she's interested in, or maybe not. No? Then there's the Joffrey's Coffee and Tea Company. That one will definitely catch her attention. We're back over by the Lego location again, and of course you got the Lego Sea Serpent out in the water. And then of course you have T-Rex for your dino dining experience. Big old T-Rex. Kind of take a quick look at their menu. We are looking for some place here to get something to eat. I think we see what's going on here. We do have an Italian restaurant. There's the Cookies of Dublin over there that has fish and chips. Then they have the Happy Hound, which is for dogs, because the dogs are not spoiled enough. The ducks are out and about. Do not feed the ducks. There is a bakery here on the left. This is the actual Joffrey store. I guarantee you with this, we're going into here for sure. All right, she is in coffee heaven at the moment. She has found different ones. She has found Villains coffee. She's got K-cups. Okay, look, what you really need, okay, is Star Wars coffee.
What I really need is Maleficent coffee.
No, you need Star Wars. Look, Star Wars coffee. R2D2 brew. How about that? But you got Maleficent coffee. What kind of coffee is that? Does that say dragon roast?
Yes.
Okay.
It is spellbinding brew with notes of pecan, caramel, and vanilla.
Oh, just up your alley, huh? Jock Lindsay's Hanger Bar, of course, inspired by Indiana Jones. You got the Paradise, or Paradiso 37. Let me make sure I say that name right. Keep going up this direction. Then you have the Edison. This is another restaurant. Down the bridge you go. They do have the giant balloon that you can go up in, similar to they have at Coco Key. You have an Oakley truck, a Starbucks. If you want a bubble wand, this will be one of your bubble wand locations. Enjoy some Disney bubbles. Got a couple of food trucks back in this area. I think we go check those out. See what we got. So we got barbacoa. So this one is a fruit and juice and smoothie. Then you have the cilantro. I am not sure what this particular establishment is, but we're gonna go check that out. Got the bowling alley. You got the giant M&M store. All right, next we got the House of Blues, City Works, and Dawn of Life, the Circus Soleil show. Tiffany's here in House of Blues. More of the House of Blues. Tiffany's back in a different candy store called the Candy Cauldron. They do have poisonous apples. Do you need a poison apple? Looks good. So we finally ended up on Deluxe Burger for dinner. So we're gonna have some burgers, some fries. Got all of our sauces out here. They got a lot of sauces. So we're definitely gonna give it a try.
Yes.
So the burger is here. That is the bacon cheeseburger and a full order of fries. And that's gonna be our dinner. I don't know if Tiffany's gonna be able to get that in, but what do you think? Look good?